Okay, super quick video on how to alphabetize in Excel. I've got a longer video on sorting and alphabetizing that you can check out, but if you just want a 2-minute video on how to do this, here it is. So first thing I'm going to do is select the range of cells I want to alphabetize. It's important you make sure you select the whole range, otherwise it'll only alphabetize that column and your values will end up in the wrong place. I'm going to go to, once I've got it selected, I'm going to go to data, then sort. Then it's going to ask me what column I want to sort by. I'll sort by item, A to Z. There we go. That's all there is to it. You do want to make sure you have this My Data Has Headers checked, because otherwise it will sort your header row with them. See, now my header row is down here where I don't want it. So I'm going to undo it. But that's it. You can add additional items here. Just click this Add Level button. Let's actually sort by subcategory, then item. So there we go. There we go. So now it's sorted by subcategory, and within the subcategories, the items are alphabetized. So that's the quick version of how to alphabetize in Excel.